At Cervantes Primary, there's no spare money. Valencia's regional government has only just paid the school its running costs for last year. It still owes the school €60,000, so poorer pupils can have free meals. And soon the teachers here, like elsewhere in the region, face cuts to their wages. We've spoken to several schools across the province of Valencia, and they all have one thing in common. They're short of money because they're owed money by Valencia's regional government. There were reports that at one school the pupils took blankets to class because the school was saving on its heating bills. And at this school the parents became the cleaners because the cleaners weren't being properly paid.
¿Y por qué tenemos que limpiar nosotros?
The parents videoed themselves and their children cleaning the school to put pressure on the local government. They also lent the school €9,000 when times were tough last year. The lack of money in Valencia's schools has led to protests. This was how the police reacted last week. There is tension here, but Valencia's politicians are also under pressure from Madrid and Brussels to get their finances in order. Its debt, as a ratio of economic growth, is the highest of any region in Spain.
I think we are very close to bankrupt. Maybe we could talk even that we are at the moment in bankrupt because we are receiving money from the central government to cover current expenditure. So we must adjust, particularly in non-essential expenditure. We are going to adjust, we are going to fulfill our responsibilities, but we need sometimes several years.
Some in Valencia say in the good times the government was guilty of irresponsible spending.
Obviously that was a time where you got financing for everything, and when you get financing for everything you tend to spend. So I wouldn't say it's irresponsible. It was the times we had, which are now very different and worse than anticipated.
At Cervantes School they play raspall, a traditional Valencian game. Wiping out the region's debt will take years, and there'll be more protests. Even in austere times, cutting education is a controversial subject. Tom Burridge, BBC News in Valencia.